The power of nostalgia. Understanding brings back memories. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in the English language, brings back memories. This phrase is a key to unlocking emotional doors and understanding how English speakers convey feelings of nostalgia. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, travel, or connecting with others, grasping the essence of this phrase will enrich your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. Brings back memories is a phrase that people use when something makes them remember past experiences or emotions. It could be a song, a place, a smell, or any sensory experience that acts as a trigger, transporting them back to a moment from their past. The memories could be sweet and joyful, bittersweet, or even sad, but they are always significant to the person recalling them. When someone says something brings back memories, they're often sharing more than just a fact. They're sharing a piece of their heart. Memories are deeply connected to emotions, and recalling them can be a powerful, emotional experience. This phrase is commonly used in conversations to express a shared experience or to show empathy towards someone's feelings and experiences. You can use brings back memories in various contexts. When reminiscing about childhood or past events with friends or family, in response to experiencing something familiar, like hearing an old song or visiting a place from your past. When you want to express how something makes you feel nostalgic or reminds you of a particular time in your life. Example sentences: visiting my old school really brings back memories. This song brings back memories of summer nights when we were teenagers. The phrase also holds a cultural significance in English-speaking societies. It reflects the importance of nostalgia and memory in shaping personal identities and connections. Understanding its use can provide insights into the values of English-speaking cultures, where reminiscing and sharing personal stories are common social practices. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, brings back memories, more confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's also about expressing emotions and connecting with others on a deeper level. So, next time something brings back memories for you, share that experience with someone. It might just make your conversation more meaningful. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.